In this video, I'll show you how to turn off push notifications on Facebook. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing down below and giving this video a like so others can find it. So the first thing we're going to do is to open the Facebook app on our phone. Once you see this screen, go ahead and select menu right here at the bottom right. Then scroll down just a little bit and under settings and privacy, go ahead and hit settings. Here, scroll down just a little bit more and hit notifications. So right here at the top, you're going to select mute push notifications. And here, as you can see, you can turn off push notifications forever. You can turn it off for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 or 8 hours. Select the one that you want and simply hit save. Right now, I have it off, but in your case would say it on. And right under where you receive notifications, go ahead and hit push. Right now, I have it turned off, so as you can see, it's giving me the option to turn it back on, but in your case, you will simply select on it so you can turn them completely off. And hopefully that will stop Facebook from sending you push notifications. Hope that helps.